walk along the gutter of this street just around the corner from my house. I looked upon a lady who don't carry a paper bag. She's dressed in brown. Walked across my past, and when she did, I was able to read her mind. And then I realized it was a lady who would suit myself just fine. Oh yeah. Why does that lady wonder what we'll look like in the mirror of our future? Will we be together, or will we just be living separate lives? You must survive. As I walk along the gutter of that street of poverty and wasted time, well, yes, I have. The lady who once walked across my path, gonna live another life. But now I've taken time to realize what that lady had in mind for me. The paper bag she carries is for souls of men she's gathered from her vine.